Alright folks, buckle up, we've got some thrilling news to share today. Today I'm diving into some hot leaks about the upcoming Infinix Zero 45G. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz and for good reason. Google Play Console and TUV listings have spilled the beans and I've got all the juicy details for you. These listings are often a goldmine of information, giving us a sneak peek into what we can expect. First up, let's talk about the battery. This is one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone, and Infinix seems to have nailed it. The Infinix Zero 45G is rumored to pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery. That's right, a whopping 5,000 mAh. Yeah, you heard that right, 5,000 mAh? This is a significant upgrade, ensuring that you have enough juice to get through your day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. This means you can expect a full day of heavy use without scrambling for a charger. Imagine being able to go through your entire day, from morning to night, without that dreaded low battery warning. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming for hours, or just endlessly scrolling through social media, this battery should keep you powered up. Now, onto the chipset, which is equally impressive. According to the Google Play Console listing, the Zero 45G is set to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 920. This chipset is known for its performance and efficiency. This is a 6nm octa-core processor, and it's no slouch. The smaller the nanometer, the more efficient the processor, and this one promises to deliver. With this chipset, you're looking at a smooth, responsive experience, whether you're multitasking or diving into graphically demanding games. The MediaTek Dimensity 920 is designed to handle it all with ease. Plus, with 5G capabilities, your downloads and streaming are about to get a serious speed boost. Imagine downloading a full-length movie in just seconds or streaming high-definition content without any buffering. So, what does this combination mean for you? It means a seamless, powerful experience that keeps up with your lifestyle. While the large battery paired with a power-efficient chipset means longer battery life and better performance, it's a win-win. But that's not all. There are more exciting features to discuss. TUV listings also point towards fast charging capabilities. This is a game changer for those who are always on the go. We're talking about 33-watt fast charging here. This means you can get a significant amount of charge in just a short period. So even if you do manage to drain that 5,000 mAh battery, you'll be back up and running in no time. This is perfect for those moments when you need a quick power boost before heading out. The Infinix Zero 45G is shaping up to be a powerhouse with its impressive battery life, speedy MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, and rapid charging technology. It's designed to meet the demands of modern users. I'm definitely excited to see how this phone performs in the real world. The specs are promising, and I can't wait to get my hands on it for a full review. Stay tuned for more updates and full reviews once the phone officially drops. We'll be diving deep into its performance, camera quality, and overall user experience. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the world of technology with us. And remember, subscribing to our channel ensures you never miss out on the latest tech updates and reviews. Hit that subscribe button now and join our tech community.